here drink this beer. Let's put some beer on. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Snowing, snowing. Today I eat pork chops. Today pork chops and rice. And corn. Rice, corn, pork chop and sauerkraut. Hehehe. Salad, pork chop, potatoes, vegetables and wings. Chicken wings, barbecue style. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Nice sunny day but cold. Today is, I think, 8. I miss summer. Can't wait when it will be summer or spring. Here is my blanket from Victoria's Secret. That was for free. I can see the difference. This one for free too, but it was thicker. See? Wait. This was thicker. Like these parts were much thicker. This camera not working correctly today. Maybe now. And you don't see spaces. The new one for free is thinner, and in some places you can easily see those spaces. See? So quality going down. See space. And this one was for free, but over a year ago, and they don't seem to have those things thicker. Bought some tripod for my mobile. Here one, and this is a good one for mobile. I mean cheap kind, but you can put sometimes mobile like this. Here oranges have to eat. Here guy, cute one. So I did workout on this treadmill. I walked for 30. So I did a workout on this treadmill. I did 38 minutes. on speed number 3. Half hour I was walking on the incline number 1. Almost half hour. And I'm ending it. My heart rate after that walk was 120, but I am kind of dizzy. Because my heart likes to be dizzy sometimes. I write down how long I was walking, so I write down 38 minutes. Because hope he's not gonna be mad. And I can wait myself. So, well, it's not in the morning, it's in the evening. Wow, this thing is Fiu Fiu. I not weigh that much. I mean that less. I weighed 190, not 150. Let's see again. But this has to disappear. This weight must be broken. Come on, disappear. So let's try again. 1 and 2. That's even less. Wow, broken. Maybe I have to stand here. Or here. Wow, that's broken. Who knows? Now I go upstairs. I have to turn off this thing. Ciach, and turn off here. Okay. Fingers turned off. I go now. Cooking American chop suey. So elbow macaroni has to be cooked, which is done. To YouTube. To YouTube. Here is beef with peppers and with mushrooms. Peppers were roasted and from jar and mushrooms from can. First I did on separate pan them, and now I added them to this pan. And then we will add that sauce, Prego sauce. So Prego sauce added. Now I have to mix it. Also praying my novena, the Queen of Holy Rosary of Pompeii, and I'm reading some internet. I told you to YouTube. Why you always ask it? You know that I'm talking to YouTube. No.
Did they say how's that?
Yeah, in comments. You don't read them. And then this might be cooked, so I turn it off. And it will have to be mixed together. heavy.
Why?
Ow, my hand pain from it.
You need a hand?
I don't know.
No, you don't.
Oh.
Russia is bankrupt. Oh, can't help it.
Don't say weird things.
You. I just said something weird. You.
Uh-huh.
Oh yes. Good, you get the top of it. Wow. That's gorgeous.
Now I let's do this to mix it. Oh, you mix it.
How can I mix it? I don't know how to mix it.
And I record how you mix it.
I don't know how to mix
Maybe
this.
you need this.
I think this thing's too big. I used to mix it. Ooh, hot too. Good enough here for a month.
Yeah.
How come you made so much?
I didn't know it would come out so much. That the macaron pasta
Big.
spread it.
Okay, I think we're ready.
Just we can eat ragu. Add ragu on the.
How can I put this here?
I have to take it.
What are you going to take it to? What are you looking at this for? You're not supposed to be looking at this stuff.
Nice.
You know that. No.
No. Product with cheese on top.